Hey everyone, in this short video I'll show you how to remove the climate control unit using an Audi A6 C5 as an example. So, this climate control unit is located right here, and I need to remove it today. First off, let's disconnect the stereo panel. Next, we take out the plastic covers, and now we need to remove this panel. To do this, I open the ashtray and start pulling the panel. Gradually, it will unclip all around. See, this is how I remove this cover. Since I have a stereo installed, I'll also unscrew one bolt on each side of the covers. We unscrew these plastic parts, and after that, we'll have access to the climate control unit bolts. Basically, this unit is held in place by just 4 bolts. So let's start unscrewing these 4 bolts. The top ones come off very easily. Here's what these bolts look like, but the bottom ones are much trickier to unscrew. Look at how the climate control unit is secured here. Even when we unscrew the bolts, removing the unit will be hindered by its fastenings, which are embedded in the plastic panel of the cabin. Alright, I've unscrewed the bottom bolts. They're a bit longer than the top ones. And now, look at how these bottom fastenings are getting in the way of removing the climate control unit. So I'll have to somehow wiggle the unit, trying to pull it out diagonally. Basically, I'm showing what I did. I inserted a screwdriver into this fastening and somehow managed to pull it out of the cabin panel. Here's what they look like. And now, only after I've removed them, nothing is obstructing pulling out the climate control unit anymore. After pulling the unit out a bit, don't forget to disconnect the connectors. So, I've disconnected the wiring and successfully removed the unit. As you can see, nothing too complicated. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Bye.